Hello, good morning, 2022 Thursday. Today I'm the pleasure to share with you my experimenting on the Pandas filtering and broadcasting. Pandas is a very powerful software using together in Python, and just with a very simple statement you can do very powerful manipulation. If we can do the same thing using Excel and VBA, it may take a much more complicated and clumsy way of this programming. And I made this experimenting with enlightenment from this website. They're very clear explanation about this filtering and also how to deal with this warning, setting with copy warning. Okay, now the website is very complicated, and so I make the very simple experiment on a very simple database. That data frame will be very simple, just the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and purposely add some 3 rows with the same value at the column A. Okay. So now I would set another data frame with a filtering of A to 4 only. Okay. This means again I would then the result should be only these 3 rows. Okay, the last 3 rows. See whether it works. Yeah, only the last 3 rows. So you see it's very simple, just one line, simple line, but it look very funny. DF, DF, and just remember that. Okay, very simple. And then it's a broadcasting. This meaning is that I have the filtering of those rows with a column at 4 equal to 4, and then I set the value to 100 and see what will happen, what is the result. Unfortunately, yeah, it worked, but unfortunately it's that auto here, so not a good way. And so yeah, you can forget it, the hit one, and you can forget the 2, and the final one. That is the final solution, and that is what I learned from this website. Okay, so the way is that we set the filtering at 4, that means at 4, and then I do the change of the columns A all to 100. Okay, and that is when you do several rows value at the same time, then I call it the broadcasting and see whether it works. Yeah, it works. Okay, so you can print both of them together and you can see the result. So initially it's like this, the database, and then I would set the condition with a column A is equal to 4, then I change A to 100. Okay. Or you may Yeah, or maybe you change other columns. I think it's also okay. I change to C perhaps. Then you have only for these 3 rows I will have the C all change to 100. Okay. Of course, they're all numerical values and doesn't make any sense. If you look into this website, they have a very detailed, more convincing example about the change to the car, and it will look a little more interesting. But I like my way because it's so simple and easy to experiment. Pandas is really complicated, and we can only learn it bit by bit and day by day, and one day we can master this great technique in programming. Okay, thank you very much for listening to my sharing of experience today, and I hope to talk to you some other days. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.